And here she's found it, her own personal spa. But Cholita's peace and solitude is short-lived. Tongo has tracked her down. He's been following her trail of scent marks and claw scratchings. Cholita has left a well-signposted path.
If you want to see truly inspiring ecosystem restoration at work, stay tuned till the end for a video recommendation to watch how the European bison, Europe's largest mammal, was brought back from extinction.
Now, she's got a peeping Tom. Like the last time they met, Tongo approaches with a constant, repetitive, chirping growl. Spectacled bears are one of the most vocal of their kind. Tongo's vocalization signals curiosity and may be designed to reassure the much smaller Cholita. But if that's his intention, it's not working. Cholita clearly signals she wants him to leave. Taking the initiative, she heads in the opposite direction. She won't mate until she's ready. All that remains is the scent of his desirable muse. Tongo's just going to have to be patient. Guided by her nose, Cholita continues her foraging in the fading light. It's important she's in prime condition before she falls pregnant. If she conceives, she could be carrying the fertilized egg around for some time. It won't start to develop until conditions are perfect. This adaptation is shared by around 100 other species of mammal, including seals and sea lions, armadillos, marsupials, as well as all the other bears. Delaying her pregnancy means Cholita can time the birth of her cubs to the spring, when food is readily available, regardless of when she has the opportunity to mate. As night falls, Cholita settles down in quiet solitude. Today, there are clear signs that the reserve's youngest bear, Amazona, is growing up. She's out foraging on her own. It's her first time going solo. Her search for food has brought her high up the mountain slopes. The noise from the cliffs catches her attention. Roosting red-masked parakeets. While vegetation is the real staple of spectacled bears, they do need to vary their diet and work in a bit of high-calorie protein. Birds' eggs are the perfect supplement. But the parakeets' nests high up in the cliffs are too difficult to reach. Instead, she's hoping to find a more accessible nest from a ground-roosting bird, like the Peruvian thick-knee. Amazona has been up here before, with experienced egg hunter Peruano. Memory has brought her back. But this time, she has to find the nest by herself. Further down the mountain, Peruano is after a different source of protein. He's going fishing. While it's common for North American brown and black bears to eat fish, it's extremely rare for their southern cousins. At these higher, drier altitudes, fish are few and far between. But Peruano has headed for lower elevations, where he's found a pool full of cascafe fish. They'll provide a tasty and highly nutritious meal, if he can catch them.
The European bison, Europe's largest land animal and the counterpart to the American bison, was completely extinct in the wild, but is now making a surprising comeback. This is in large part due to our friends at Planet Wild, who are doing an amazing job at ecosystem restoration and have made really great videos about their work. The European bison plays a much bigger role in their ecosystem than you would ever imagine, and the videos are an amazing watch. Planet Wild is an incredible initiative that anyone can join. They're building a community of like-minded people across the globe that want to help our planet bounce back by funding frontline ecosystem restoration projects. The team then goes out on a mission every month to protect endangered species, clean up oceans, or revive forests. If you always wanted to give back to nature but didn't quite know how to start, we highly recommend checking out Planet Wild. With as little as $5 per month, you can become a part of this amazing effort and get rewarded by seeing the achievements you and others are making possible in monthly video reports that are entertaining, educational, and transparent. And the best part is, every member gets to vote what kind of projects will be supported and can connect with the team and other members in the Planet Wild app and Discord channel. We really love this concept. It's innovative and impactful. Plus, there's a ton to learn about nature and wildlife in every video. But please, go see for yourself. Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.